In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a music track with Google Gemini in just a few simple steps. First, click the bell icon to open the notification panel. Then click the plus icon to start a new chat. Click the up arrow icon to open the extensions menu. Now type in your music prompt describing the style, instruments, and mood you want. For this example, I'm asking for an upbeat pop song about friendship with acoustic guitar, piano, and energetic drums. You'll see a message saying it's generating your 30-second track. This usually takes about 30 seconds to complete. Once it's done, the track appears with a play button and waveform display. Click the play button to listen to your generated music. The track starts playing, and you can hear how Gemini interpreted your prompt. If your track doesn't match what you had in mind, try being more specific about tempo, instruments, or vocal style in your prompt. Gemini responds well to detailed descriptions. The service generates 30-second clips by default, which work great for social media content, background music for short videos, or as reference tracks for longer projects. You can also ask Gemini to create variations by tweaking your original prompt slightly and generating again. And that's how to make a music track with Google Gemini. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.